Tire season is easier with autoscan for your Tirehotel. The first step of any tire storage is to attach a label. From now on, the set of tires can be clearly identified. After that, we can start with data collection and storage. To start editing data, scan the barcode on the label. Autoscan automatically opens the tire storage information from your system. At first glance, you see the most important information. You also see that the tire condition has not yet been recorded. The Info tab provides you with a quick overview of the information currently stored in your system. To record the condition of the wheels, tap on the small pencil on the card. Perform the tread depth measurement as usual on all 4 tires. Entering the tread depths is done by just typing the digits in a few seconds. For even more quality and speed, you can use a digital depth gauge. The device is connected to autoscan via Bluetooth. As soon as you take a measurement, the value is transmitted and displayed. Take as many measurements per tire as you like. The lowest measurement is highlighted and automatically adopted. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the next tire without having to look at the screen. Perform the measurements for all tires in this manner. With a click on OK, you return to the overview. Now check the wheels for damage. Autoscan offers a selection of possible damages. This way, you can easily document the condition of the wheels in high-quality data. Additionally, you have the option to take photos. Click on the icon and take a photo. Whether photos must be made mandatory or are optional can be configured. The photos are stored on any network drive. If you have a document management or archive system in use, we recommend importing the photos there. The next step is to record the tire data. A vehicle usually travels with the same set of tires for several years. Therefore, autoscan automatically suggests the data of the set of tires from last year. In most cases, you don't even need to record any tire data. In our demo, we will change some data for illustration. Assuming our set of tires now differs on the rear axle. Autoscan automatically takes the data from the front axle, as this often only differs minimally from the rear axle. Enter the tire dimensions exactly as they appear on the tire. Simply type the numbers and autoscan jumps to the correct field. A small change to the additional information and we are done with the recording of the tire data. All data is updated in your system within seconds. At this point, you can already hand over the storage protocol to the customer. Storing with autoscan couldn't be easier. Place the set of tires on a shelf. Scan the label, scan the storage location, and confirm the entry. Preparing the sets of tires for the next customer appointments can be an organizational effort. Autoscan makes this process so simple that you can even comfortably enjoy a cup of coffee. On the start page of Autoscan, you see that there are 4 picking lists to do right now. Autoscan automatically reads customer appointments, searches for stored tires and creates a picking list per day and storage location. You can see at a glance how many sets of tires have already been prepared and where there is still work to be done. If you select one of the picking lists, you see in chronological order which sets of tires you need to get from storage. Go to the indicated shelf and scan the label on the tire. Autoscan ensures that it is the correct set of tires and that there are no mix-ups. You also see some information about the customer order and the vehicle. Once you confirm the removal, the set of tires is marked as picked in your system. When all sets of tires are marked as done, your preparation is complete. All this without manual preliminary work and paper. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on Autoscan, please visit our website autoscan.app.